In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open the Deliveroo account in Ireland. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up an account to become a Deliveroo driver in Ireland. You will be able to do this by using the website and also the mobile app for Deliveroo. So I recommend that you download the mobile app before you do this, just to have it set it up for later. You will be able to manage your deliveries through the app and also change your location, change your area, and set up your sessions. So on the website, tap on Partner with Us and switch over to Riders. You will be redirected to riders.deliveroo.co.uk, and once you arrive at this page, you just have to tap Apply Now. You can start this process through the website even if you don't download the mobile app, and as you can see, you will be able to go through the steps. Now, if you do download the mobile app, which I still recommend, you just have to tap on Apply to be a rider and they will redirect you into the same page. You can choose between Europe or Asia, so go ahead and choose Ireland. And now proceed. Once again, you will land at the exact same page, so you will be able to choose the main reason on why you would like to work with Deliveroo. So they offer 4 options: I want flexible hours, extra income, 24-hour support, or none of the above. Just choose whatever you prefer, so you will be able to join them. Now, you will have to include a lot of personal information. For this video, I'm gonna keep it simple, and I'm just going to breeze through all of the options, but you should carefully take your time and answer all of these honestly. So you will have to include your first name, last name, an email address here. So just include any valid email address. Once again, I'm only typing a random one to demonstrate how this process would look like, but you need to include a valid email if you would like to proceed. And afterwards, just include a phone number. Everything will be verified later, so it is important that you double check everything, and you can choose the vehicle type. Now, like I said before, because of the nature of this video, I will not be able to show you this process in full. I don't have a phone number available, but if you do, you will be able to select it here, proceed, and you should be able to select the vehicle type and receive an SMS. Once this is done and your account is verified, you might have to present some documents over to Deliveroo, and you can finish this by going over to the app, where you can sign into your account using your email address or phone number and start making deliveries. I hope I was able to help you on how to open a Deliveroo account in Ireland. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.